All right, shifting our focus to West Bengal, massive showdown on the streets over the ED raids. Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister, leading this march herself. The fight has also reached the High Court, not just the Enforcement Directorate. The state and IPAC have also knocked on the High Court's door. These are live visuals coming in from Kolkata. There at the center, you can see the chief minister of West Bengal along with her leaders of the TMC leading the march against ED raids. Let's go across to Rajesh joining us in the broadcast with more details. Rajesh, this showdown between the CM and the ED is only intensifying now on the streets. Mamata Banerjee along with her leaders marching ahead.
Exactly, the TMC has begun the rally. Right now we can see a huge crowd over here. Lot of people, thousands of people have gathered over here to participate, to take part in this 6-kilometer long rally led by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself, and all the TMC leaders, top TMC leaders are present over here. Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim and all the MPs and the MLAs, elected representatives of Trinamool Congress, have gathered over here to take part in this rally. Right now, rally has been started from Jadavpur ADB bus stand, and it will end around after 6 kilometers, and the rally will reach Hajra crossing after a few minutes. And right now, we can see that Trinamool supporters are chanting slogans of Joy Bangla. They are protesting against Enforcement Directorate's action, whatever they have taken yesterday. You know, Enforcement Directorate conducted the raid yesterday at the office and house of Pratik Jain, and in connection with coal smuggling case. Since then, TMC has been alleging that was an attempt of stealing documents and stealing of the secret data and poll strategy of Congress just ahead of Bengal Assembly election. Since then, Mamata Banerjee had announced that TMC will protest against this raid, which she has stated it was done by the central government to steal the poll strategy of Trinamool Congress to win the state of West Bengal. And after her announcement, Trinamool Congress has already carried out protests in every block, every district across the state of West Bengal yesterday. And today, Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool Supremo and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself is carrying out this protest rally in Kolkata. This will be a 6-kilometer long rally. And right now, you can see the supporters of Trinamool Congress are protesting against ED. Would like to speak to some of the protesters.
देखिए, काल जो किया वो गलत काम किया। ऐसे कोई प्राइवेसी वो लोग का ऐसा नहीं है। वो आईपैक का ऑफिस में घुस के सब सामान चोरी करके ले गया। ये तो अच्छा नहीं है ना। वो बीजेपी का सब वो ईडी सीबीआई जो लगा के रखा है।
ईडी और सीबीआई कौन?
जो ईडी लगा के रखा है। ईडी
क्या लगा के रखा?
वो जो अब इलेक्शन आने से वो लोग आता है यार, सबका घर में सर्च करो, ऑफिस में सर्च करो, ये करो। ये करने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है। दीदी यहाँ पर है, रहेगा। यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर रहेगा। बंगाल में दीदी रहेगा।
अच्छा, तो आज किस चीज के खिलाफ आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं? अभी
प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। देखिए, पहले तो आप देखिए जो काम किया है, ये तो बहुत गलत काम किया है। कोई पार्टी का कोई प्राइवेट
गलत किया ईडी।
हाँ, जो सेंट्रल फोर्स, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जिसको भेजा है, वो जिसको भेजता तो आके ये तो चोरी का काम किया ना। ये तो अच्छा काम नहीं किया।
लेकिन ईडी बता रहे कि ममता बनर्जी उनसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स छीन ले गई है।
नहीं, वो तो देखिए, कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स है। आपका कोई बेडरूम में घुस जाएगा तो ये तो गलत बात है। ये तो
बेडरूम तो था नहीं, ऑफिस।
वो तो ऑफिस, मतलब तो ये तो हम लोग का कुछ प्राइवेसी है ना उसमें। जो
ऑफिस में क्या
प्राइवेसी? आपका ऑफिस में हम लोग का इलेक्शन कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स था ना, जरूरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स था। वो क्यों लेके गया? वो लेने के लिए क्यों वहाँ पर घुसा है?
लेकिन जब कोई सर्च चल रहा है तो कोई बाहर से जाके ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट छीन सकती है क्या?
नहीं, ये तो गलत बात है। यही तो बोल रहे जो बाहर से
गलत बात है
ना, तो आके सर्च कर रहा है। वो तो पार्टी का कोई गोपन डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके जाने का कोशिश कर रहा था ना। ये तो गलत बात है।
अच्छा,
ये तो नहीं करना चाहिए ना। हम लोग का सामने इलेक्शन है, इलेक्शन में कोई
डॉक्यूमेंट छीन लेना सही था।
हाँ, हम लोग का उसमें कुछ इलेक्शन का कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो इलेक्शन के लिए जो काम करेगा। कोई हम लोग का कोई जो स्ट्रेटेजी है वो है, वो तो सीडीयूडी जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो लेने का तो वो उसको लोग का हक नहीं है ना। वो तो गलत काम किया।
बहुत शुक्रिया। तो as you can see, they are protesting against the activities of ED. They are alleging that ED had nothing to do with the poll strategy of Trinamool Congress, but still those documents were taken away by the Enforcement Directorate, were not connected with the coal smuggling case. So that was not the job of ED. So that is why they are alleging that ED's raid was pre-planned by central government to win the state of West Bengal, to win the upcoming election. So that was the move of central government. That is the allegation of Trinamool supporters. They are protesting over here against the activity of Enforcement Directorate in West Bengal just ahead of election.
Rajesh, stay on with us. Live visuals coming in. The march has begun, the procession from Jadavpur bus stand, and it will continue till Hazra More. At the center, you can see the Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee leading the march, surrounded by her leaders, and there's a massive crowd on the streets of Kolkata. It all began with the ED raids that were conducted at IPAC Chief Pratik Jain's residence and office. The Chief Minister reaches there suddenly when the investigation, the raid is underway, and you can see the Chief Minister speaking, hitting out at the Home Minister, holding on to a file, and then she leaves. Now, the Enforcement Directorate went to the court, said that documents and devices were taken by the Chief Minister, who obstructed the investigation of the Enforcement Directorate. IPAC and the state government have also knocked on the door of High Court. FIRs have also been registered against the Enforcement Directorate by the state police. And the showdown continues. This morning, we saw TMC MPs protesting. They were stopped. They were detained. Now, Mamta Banerjee sending out a message, a signal that she's not willing to back down. This is a pushback from the TMC on the raids conducted by ED. Mamta Banerjee says all this happening at behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Home Ministry, because BJP wants to steal TMC's data. That's the allegation that Mamta Banerjee has leveled. There are several counters coming in from the BJP as well, questioning how can a sitting Chief Minister obstruct an ongoing investigation. And the BJP alleging that there's something Mamta Banerjee is trying to hide. And that's the reason why Mamta Banerjee left with documents, and today she is marching, nothing but an attempt to hide. Let's go back to Rajesh, who is covering the rally, the march, and joining us live on the broadcast. Rajesh, war of words also intensifying along with the action on streets. BJP says all of this is being done to hide something by Mamta Banerjee. Rajesh, if you can hear me, go ahead.
Yes, now I can hear you. Now I can hear you.
Go ahead, Rajesh. Speak to more people.
Yes. Would like to speak to few more people who are protesting against the activities of ED. कहाँ से आए भाई साहब? कोलकाता से?
उत्तर कोलकाता
से? क्या किस लिए आए हैं?
বাংলার উপরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে তার প্রতিবাদে মানুষ আজ রুখে দাঁড়িয়েছে।
बीजेपी टॉर्चर करिए।
বাংলা में टॉर्चर करता है बीजेपी।
कैसे?
বাংলার মানুষের উপর বাংলার সরকারের এগেছে করার চেষ্টা করছে, তার প্রতিবাদে আমাদের এই প্রতিবাদ মিছিল।
Okay. So they are moving towards Hazra crossing in Kolkata. That is almost 6 kilometer long road which have been decorated with a lot of posters, banners against Enforcement Directorate. You can see all those top leaders of Trinamool Congress, including Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim, a star MP and actor, famous Bengali actor Dev. A few of the elected MPs and MLAs have also taken part of this rally. You can see the rally is moving towards Hazra crossing at this moment. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee herself is leading the rally just a day after the dramatic showdown with Enforcement Directorate. Trinamool Congress has taken out this protest rally, which is the biggest protest rally in Kolkata right now, which is being led by Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee herself, and all those top leaders, including all the MLAs, MPs, ministers and all other elected public representatives are also present over here. They are walking on the road. They are raising slogan against ED. They are chanting slogan of Joy Bangla and Khala Hobe. You know, Khala Hobe has been a popular slogan in West Bengal for the Trinamool Congress since last assembly election. And now election will be announced within next 2 months. So they are chanting the slogan of Khala Hobe. They are throwing challenge to BJP, alleging that BJP is using all those central probe agency like ED and CBI to win the state of West Bengal, but it will. But एक बार बात करना चाहेंगे आपसे। कहाँ से आप?
जादवपुर से।
जादवपुर से। किस चीज के खिलाफ आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं?
हाँ?
प्रोटेस्ट किस चीज के खिलाफ अभी कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
काल जो ईडी ये हमला किया उसके
किसने हमला किया?
ईडी ने।
अच्छा।
आईपैक का ऑफिस में जो हमला किया।
हमला क्यों लग रहा है आपको?
हमला ही तो, ये तो एक तरफ हमला ही है।
वो तो सर्च करने आए थे, इन्वेस्टिगेट करने आए थे।
আজকে বাংলায় বলছি, ও তো চুরি করতে এসছে, তথ্য আমাদের দলীয় গোপন তথ্য চুরি করতে এসছে।
चोरी करने आए थे ईडी?
चोरी करने आया था।
लेकिन ईडी तो एक इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी है ना, चोरी क्यों करने आएगी?
चोरी तो किया।
चोरी किया?
हाँ।
क्या चोरी किया?
दलीय हमारा जो दलीय कार्यक्रम उसने चोरी किया।
भैया आपसे एक बार पूछना चाहेंगे, किस चीज के लिए ईडी तो बस कल इन्वेस्टिगेट करने आए थे आईपैक का ऑफिस में, आईपैक तो
लीगली से नहीं आया है, इलीगल से आया है।
अच्छा।
विदाउट एनी नोटिस उन्हें आया है। ये हमारा एक ऑथोराइज टीम है, बगैर कोई नोटिस के बिना आया है। ये तो गलत बात है। और इसके में सबसे बड़ी बात ये हमारे जो 2026 का जो इलेक्शन का जो है, वो हमारा जो रणकौशल था, उस पूरा डेटा को ट्रांसफर कर लिया हमारे आईपैक टीम से। यही हम लोगों का विरोध है।
अच्छा।
ऐसे करके नहीं होगा। पहले उन लोगों ने एसआईआर कह के जैसे बिहार में जैसे उन्होंने कोशिश किया है, उन्हें सफल हुआ है, लेकिन बंगाल में भी उन्हें कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने उसको रोक दिया है। उन्होंने सोचा कि टीएमसी का कम से कम 1 करोड़ वोटर को हम लोग बातिल कर दूंगा, कैंसिल कर दूंगा, लेकिन हम लोगों ने टीएमसी का जो कर्मी है, हम लोग लड़ाई करके वो रुक दिया है। उन्होंने नाकामयाबी हुआ, इसका बाद उसका बीजेपी आरएसएस का दूसरा टीम ईडी को भेजाया। अब देखिएगा, इसका बाद फिर सीबीआई को भेजेगा, इसका बाद फिर एनआईओ को भेजेगा। ऐसे करके नहीं होगा, हम लोग जीतूंगा। हमारे नेता अभिषेक बनर्जी ने कहा था कि 214 से 215 सीट हम लोग लाऊंगा। अभी हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, कम से कम 250 सीट लाके हम लोगों ने बंगाल में फिर से सत्ता में आऊंगा और बीजेपी को हटाऊंगा। फिर हम लोगों ने,
आप कह रहे कि ईडी कोई बिना नोटिस दे के आ गए थे, लेकिन ईडी सीबीआई जैसे सेंट्रल एजेंसी तो ऐसे ही आते हैं, थोड़ी पहले पूछ के आते हैं।
नोटिस करना चाहिए, मगर उन्होंने आया है ठीक है, लेकिन हम लोगों का जो रणकौशल है, हम लोगों का जो सीक्रेट हमारे पर्सनल पार्टी का जो डिटेल्स है, उसको प्रचार किया है, डाटा ट्रांसफर किया है जो जबरदस्ती से। आईपैक का हमारा जो टीम है उन लोगों को लेकर
ईडी को क्या आने से पहले पूछना चाहिए, नोटिस देके बताना चाहिए कि इस दिन हम लोग आ रहे?
नहीं पूछा है, ये इसीलिए हम लोगों का विरोध है। ये पूरा संविधान को हत्या कर रहा है।
लेकिन ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ईडी पहले से नोटिस देके ऐसा इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करके आएंगे कि हम लोग इस दिन आ रहे हैं आपके घर छापे मारने के लिए।
ये तो बात तो ये है कि हम लोग का ये जो जहाँ पे ईडी छापा मरा है, वो हम लोग का पार्टी का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। ये तो गलत बात है। वही है, वही बोल रहे हैं।
ईडी के ओर से कहा जा रहा है कि ममता बनर्जी जब वहाँ गई थी, वहाँ से उन्होंने कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेकर आई
जो हम लोग का पार्टी का सीक्रेट मैटर है। हम लोग पार्टी का जो कैंडिडेट लिस्ट है, उन्होंने क्यों लेगा, उसको क्यों लेगा? एसआईआर करके नहीं हो रहा है, फिर हमारा कैंडिडेट का जो है उसको छीन लेगा। हमारा उस ऑफिस में कैंडिडेट का लिस्ट है, उसको क्यों लेगा?
राइट, कैंडिडेट का लिस्ट तो बाद में पब्लिक करना ही पड़ता है, उसमें क्या सीक्रेट है? लेट मी गो अक्रॉस टू पूजा, बट दैट्स द नैरेटिव ऑन ग्राउंड, पूजा, that the ED was there to steal TMC's data. That's what the TMC Karyakartas and of course the Chief Minister herself has accused ED of.
Well, absolutely. If you recall, when the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached the two locations, first the residence that belongs to Pratik Jain, the co-founder and the director of IPAC, and thereafter she visited the IPAC office. On both occasions, she came out and she said how the ED was trying to steal information and data of the Trinamool Congress. Because remember, IPAC is the agency that handles the campaign for Trinamool Congress, especially.
And both the places, it could be the residence and the IPAC office, and how the ED was trying to take away all information as far as the candidate list is concerned, the campaign material is concerned, and also the party's strategy just 2 months before the elections. So this is what the narrative that the Trinamool against Prima Mamta Banerjee is trying to set, and also today she's hit the ground to also reach out to the public at large, because she wants to make this an election issue and also tell people that how BJP, and this is also what Trinamool Congress Supreme Mamta Banerjee has been claiming, that BJP is trying to use the ED to get data and information from Trinamool Congress through the raid that happened yesterday at the IPAC office, and the director, Pratik Jain.
Pooja, there is an audio issue. We'll fix that and come back to you. Meanwhile, these are live visuals. The march continues. Mamta Banerjee leading that march against the raids that were conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. Thousands of TMC supporters have joined the march, and you heard the kind of reactions that are coming in. The narrative on ground is that the Enforcement Directorate raids were conducted to steal TMC's data. That's what the Chief Minister has accused ED of doing. Not just that, the TMC also alleging that this comes after the TMC protested against the SIR exercise. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate has moved High Court, and now we're given to understand they're also seeking an urgent hearing in the matter. The ED accuses the Chief Minister of not just obstructing their investigation and the raids, but also taking away documents and digital devices along with her. Let's go back to our reporters. Rajesh also continues to be with us. Rajesh, you were getting us reactions, the sentiment on ground, and these are clearly TMC supporters. Sentiment on ground is that the BJP has sent these agencies after TMC.
Yes, now BJP and TMC is blaming each other on this issue, but TMC has cleared its point. They have cleared their stand regarding the issue, saying that it was just an attempt to steal the official data, the political strategy, and the candidate list of Trinamool Congress just before the high voltage election in West Bengal. This was nothing but an attempt to steal the data from Trinamool Congress, and that was being done by the central government, and ED and CBI is being used by the central government, by Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah, just to win the state of West Bengal, just to win the election. But now BJP has been alleging that they don't interrupt into the process of investigation in case of ED and CBI, whatever it can be, but it is they are an independent probe agency. They are doing their job in West Bengal, in everywhere in the country, but BJP does not intervene into their process, but TMC is intervening into their raid because Mamta Banerjee, being the Chief Minister of the state, herself has intervened into the process. She has taken away all those documents which were seized by Enforcement Directorate and which were the key evidences which were recovered during the raid at the office of IPAC. Since then, TMC has been alleging against BJP, and BJP has raised its voice against Trinamool Congress, and a day after this dramatic situation, Trinamool Congress has been protesting at the different part of West Bengal, including Kolkata, and at this moment Mamta Banerjee herself is leading this protest rally in Kolkata. You can see a large number of people have gathered over here to take part in this rally. The rally is moving towards Hajra Crossing, which is the nearest location of Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee's residence, and now all those top leaders of Trinamool Congress are also working along with Trinamool Congress's Supreme and Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamta Banerjee.
Absolutely. Let's give a quick recap to our viewers. It all began when the Enforcement Directorate team reached Pratik Jain's residence, and after which we saw the Chief Minister reach the raid site as well. Now, IPAC, remember, is a political consultancy firm. The residence of Pratik Jain was raided. The ED says search action was undertaken in a very peaceful manner till the chief minister arrived. ED has also said that the chief minister came there with police personnel and they forcibly removed physical documents and electronic evidences in 2 of the premises. The ED has also said that CPA's convoy proceeded to IPAC's office premise, not just at the residence of Pratik Jain, but they moved to the IPAC office from where they took some documents and electronic evidences as well. The ED has also highlighted the presence of a mystery car. So, of course, we'll have to wait to know what happened in the court. The ED, IPAC and the state government have all approached the Kolkata High Court on this issue. As far as developments outside the court are concerned, the live visuals on your screens are coming in from Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister, has hit the streets against the raids being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate yesterday. The first thing that Mamata Banerjee did after reaching the raid site was hit out at the Home Minister. She blamed the Home Ministry for the raids that were being conducted. We also have some reactions coming in.
So as your boss.
We have a very generous
So don't, I don't want to.
Let him complete the answer.
That's a problem with these people. बहुत बड़ा problem है. ये लोगों को पता नहीं क्या है, मुंह में बवासीर है, क्या है, I don't know.
Sir, can you at least answer our questions instead of running away from actual questions?
I'm not running away. तुम मेरे जितना तुम्हारे उम्र है ना, उतने साल तो मैंने राजनीति कर ली, उतने साल में क्रिकेट खेल लिया बेटा. बेटा बे जर्नलिज्म करो तो अच्छे से करो बेटा. अब आपका मैं फालतू क्वेश्चन का जवाब तो बेटा नहीं दूंगा. सर बेटा जबान नहीं लड़ा था, तुम जबान लड़ा रहे हो.
So what will be the next course of action? Sir, as a party, what will be the next course of action?
The party is going to come up with some plan which we'll come to know. And obviously, it was everybody knows that IPAC has been our agency since 2019, and our political strategies are decided there, and the programs and other things were all there. So obviously, all those Mr. Shah was trying to take away via ED, which he failed. So, I mean, that's all I can say. Nothing else.
What kind of concrete discussions have happened in the DCP office at the police station?
Well, the DCP came just now. The AC came, so there were no discussions. I don't know. That discussion happened with Mr. Derek. That is only he'll be able to explain.
What was in that green file that was taken away during an ongoing ED investigation, sir?
As soon as you find out, let me know.
So why was it so essential for you to take out that green file? Sir, at least
I don't want to answer to the public.
All right, so that was TMC MP Kirti Azad. He was among the other MPs who staged a dharna at Amit Shah's office in the national capital this morning. In all, 8 TMC MPs protested at Kartavya Bhavan. They were stopped from
offense. Where is the original FIR? They have given some random ECR number and said this is a case from 7 years ago. So a case of 7 years ago, you have suddenly decided 1 month before the Bengal elections that you want to come in. Whose house do you want to come in? Somebody who's full-time employed as the election strategist of the West Bengal Trinamool Congress party and who is holding all the information regarding our election in their offices. Do you think anybody is going to believe them? Huh?
was it justified?
जिस दिन बीजेपी बंगाल में आया था और बीजेपी बंगाल में 60 सीट जीते थे, उस दिन ही बंगाल का ब्लैक डे हो गया. जिस दिन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी बने थे, उस दिन ही ब्लैक डे हो गया. जिस दिन बीजेपी बंगाल में जाके मोहन बंगाल को मोहन बेंगन बोलते हैं, जिस दिन रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर और विवेकानंद का डिफरेंस नहीं जानते, उस दिन ही बंगाल में ब्लैक डे हो गया. तो बीजेपी बंगाल में जितना ब्लैक डे लाए हैं और ब्लैक डे देखने को बाकी नहीं है हम लोग का. अभी सबसे बड़ा ब्लैक डे उन लोग देखेगा जब मई महीना में, जब उन लोग 10 के इनकम नीचे आ जाएंगे. We are not speaking to our chief minister already told us what Republic is. Don't tell us about it. Sorry, what are you talking about?
Next course of action for you guys from a party.
Okay, as you've seen that yesterday we had a full across every block in Bengal. We had a protest at the grassroots level. Today we have done our protest here, and Mamata Banerjee, as we speak, is leading a protest from 8B bus stand to the Hazra stop.
Where is your car?
All right, so reactions coming in from the TMC MPs who were earlier detained for protesting at Amit Shah's residence. The TMC leaders alleging that all of this was done, the raids by the Enforcement Directorate, an attempt to steal TMC's data. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, out on the streets in Kolkata leading a march. All those developments taking place in West Bengal at the moment. We are heading into a very short break. We'll be back with more updates. Of course, the top focus remains the protests that are underway in West Bengal.